Welcome, history enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey along one of humanity's greatest marvels, the Great Wall of China. Stretching over 13,000 miles, this ancient fortress isn't just a wall. It's a labyrinth of secrets, battles, and engineering genius. But what's the truth behind its towering ramparts? Who built it, and why does it zigzag like a dragon across mountains and deserts? Stick with me, because we're diving deep into its hidden stories, shocking controversies, and the sacrifices that shaped this wonder. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second. Let's begin. The Great Wall of China, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as one of humanity's most ambitious architectural feats. Its origins trace back over 2,300 years to the Warring States period, 475 to 221 BCE, when rival kingdoms built walls to defend their territories. However, it was Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of a unified China, who connected these fragmented walls into a unified system around 220 BCE. This early version of the wall, constructed using rammed earth and local materials, symbolized imperial authority and aimed to repel invasions from northern nomadic tribes like the Xiongnu. The wall's construction evolved dramatically under the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644 CE. Facing persistent threats from Mongol forces, the Ming rulers rebuilt and expanded the wall using advanced materials like bricks and stone. Watchtowers, barracks, and beacon towers were strategically integrated to enhance military communication and defense. Millions of laborers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, toiled for centuries under harsh conditions, with many perishing during construction. The wall's sheer scale, stretching over 13,000 miles across mountains, deserts, and grasslands, reflects the Ming Dynasty's determination to safeguard their empire. Despite its military purpose, the Great Wall also facilitated cultural and economic exchanges. Silk Road trade routes often intersected with the wall's gates, such as the famed Jiayu Pass and Shanhai Pass. These checkpoints regulated the flow of goods, ideas, and people between China and Central Asia. Over time, the wall became a symbol of resilience and ingenuity, embodying China's historical struggle to preserve its identity against external forces. The Great Wall's engineering brilliance lies in its adaptability to diverse terrains. In mountainous regions like Battling, builders carved steps directly into cliffs, while in deserts such as Gansu, layers of reeds and sand stabilized the structure against erosion. The use of glutinous rice mortar, a mixture of lime and sticky rice, demonstrates ancient China's innovative construction techniques, creating a durable bond that survives centuries. These methods allowed the wall to withstand earthquakes, weathering, and even modern encroachment. Beyond its physical structure, the wall harbors untold human stories. Legends speak of Meng Jiangnu, a heartbroken wife whose tears supposedly caused a section of the wall to collapse, revealing her husband's bones. Such tales highlight the emotional toll of construction, often overshadowed by the wall's grandeur. Archaeological discoveries, such as inscriptions by laborers and hidden supply tunnels, further humanize the monument. Recent excavations near Inner Mongolia unearthed pottery fragments and weaponry, offering glimpses into the daily lives of soldiers stationed there. The wall's military logistics were equally sophisticated. Beacon towers, spaced at intervals of 18 miles, transmitted signals using smoke by day and fire by night, relaying messages across vast distances in hours. Soldiers stored grain and water in fortified garrisons, ensuring survival during sieges. Yet the wall was not impervious. Mongol leader Ultan Khan breached it in the 16th century, exposing vulnerabilities. These layers of triumph and failure underscore its complex legacy as both a shield and a sieve. Today, the Great Wall faces threats from natural erosion and human activity. Over 30% of the Ming-era sections have deteriorated due to tourism, illegal mining, and climate change. Preservation efforts, led by organizations like the China Great Wall Society, focus on stabilizing fragile segments using traditional methods. Drones and 3D mapping now aid in monitoring remote areas, balancing conservation with accessibility. However, debates persist. Should the wall be restored to its former glory, or left as a romantic ruin reflecting the passage of time? Tourism remains a double-edged sword. Iconic sections like Mushanyu and Jinshanling attract millions annually, boosting local economies but straining infrastructure. Initiatives like visitor caps and eco-friendly walkways aim to mitigate damage. Meanwhile, lesser-known wild wall regions appeal to adventurers, though unregulated hikes risk further degradation. Educational programs, including virtual reality tours and school trips, strive to foster respect for the wall's heritage among younger generations. Culturally, the Great Wall transcends borders. It inspires art, literature, and films, from classical Chinese poetry to Hollywood blockbusters. Its image adorns national emblems and diplomatic gifts, symbolizing peace and perseverance. In 2024, China launched the Great Wall Spirit Initiative, promoting global collaboration on heritage conservation. As climate change and globalization challenge historical sites, the wall's enduring presence reminds humanity of our shared capacity to create and protect monuments that defy time.